Explorers by Mary and John. Subscribe! Hello, Little Explorers. This is Little Explorer Mary. This is Little Explorer JR. We just got back from 7 and we bought stuff to show you. Here's what we got. I got a notebook, 59. I got this, 99. And how much is that? I don't know. But I don't know. 99 and 199. Yeah. And he got a short truck with many animals. So, and the other side is a rhino. So shall we rock paper scissors? Who will get to open first? Yeah. Shall we? Let's start. Rock paper scissors. Okay, you go first. First, before you open it, I'll show you what it is. First, guys, it's a short truck with animals. Even there's a volcano. These animals are cow, goats, I think monkey and camel, zebra, and rhino. And volcano. There's a volcano. And then a tree. Let's open it. Yeah. And Jake, make sure it's slowly or else you'll make a motor. Oh, wow, you fold the ball very strong there. Yeah. Fluttershy, Applejack, Twilight Sparkle, and Rarity. Shall we open it? Let's start. Yeah. Wow, this notebook is color pink. Whoa. Now it's time for the princess gifts. Beautiful surprise gifts. Before we open it, I'll tell you all the princess name if you don't know it. Wow, this is Rapunzel, my favorite princess. This is Ariel. She lives in the water. And this is Elsa. And his little sister Anna. And this is Tinkerbell. I don't know her friend, but I only know Tinkerbell. Oh, Sophia and her sister. Comment down below if you know the names of the princesses. I don't know. Okay, next. Whoa, there's so much princess in the back. Look, there's Ariel. Ariel was living in the water before, and then she went to land because she wanted to fall in love with the prince. Like Cinderella. She was a maid before, and then she turned into a princess. Snow White. She was poisoned by an apple because of her evil stepmother. And also, she has ice powers. She froze her sister by accident. Anna, she fall in love with the bad guy, and then she fall in love with someone else. And Sophia, and she lives in the castle, and she lives in the school. And Tinkerbell, she's a fairy, and I think I kind of got the story. So, and look, there's Belle here. This is a very big surprise. Shall we open it? Okay, I'm very excited what is inside. Yeah! That's hard. It's heavy, guys. Okay, let's start. Let's see. This one. What is it? Oh, it's an Elsa lock charm something. But I like it. It's so cute. And it's color blue. Elsa and Anna. Elsa likes that. This one. What is that? What is that? Oh, a pencil case. A ruler, the paper, and then the eraser, and the pencil. It's all color pink because it's from Disney Princesses, and blue because also likes blue words. Oh, this is cool. Next. Ha! What is that? What is that? A pencil! A beautiful pencil. Next. What is it? It's a notebook from Tinkerbell. Is it? Well, maybe it's a notebook. Oh, it's a small notebook size and the big notebook. Oh, it's smaller. Next. There's something big I'm gonna get with. Yeah, what is it? Is it a notebook? It's a book from the Princesses movie. Let's look at it. Oh, they're games. There are games, everybody look. Oh, there's even coloring games. There's coloring games. Next. I think it's another big one. What is it? Another book from Tinkerbell. Let's see. Wow, it's very beautiful. And it's the same. Oh, look at this. You can cut out this. I think you can. And then it's a big picture book. Look. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Tinkerbell. You have to remove it. And it can be a big picture. And then what's this? And it's very beautiful.